In this video, let us look at the 7 reasons why Motorola Moto E second generation is better than the Lenovo A5000. There is actually a huge price difference, almost 50% price difference between these two devices, but yet these two devices are in the budget device category, and that is why we are going to look at the 7 reasons why Motorola Moto E second generation is better than the Lenovo A5000. The first reason is that the Motorola Moto E second generation is a pocketable device, and yes, it is just 4.5 inches. The bezels are less, and that's why it is very pocketable device, and you can see that for yourself. It is very pocketable, and you can put that in your pocket easily. You can hold it in your hands. If your hands are small, then this device is definitely for you. While this device is larger in size, it has 5-inch display, and you can see that I have to adjust it to so that it fits in the camera frame, and that is why you can see. And this one, you can see when compared to this device, is very small, and then you can fit it easily in your pocket. Now let's move to the second reason, and that is that the touch on Motorola Moto E second generation is more fast and smooth. It does not mean that the touch on the Lenovo A5000 is bad. No, not at all. It is not bad. It is fast when you compare it with the other devices, but when you compare it with the Motorola Moto E second generation, it is definitely way faster than the Lenovo A5000, and that's why this is the second reason why Moto E second generation is faster than the Lenovo A5000. Now we will move up to the third reason. This might not be related to the hardware, but this is one is related to the software, and that is that you will get updates quickly. The Motorola Moto E second generation comes with stock Android, although both of these two smartphones are now from the same companies. This one is also from Lenovo, this one is also from Lenovo. Motorola was sold out to Lenovo in recent years, but still it has stock Android, and that's why it will get quick updates, and that's one good thing that you can get with the Motorola Moto E second generation. The fourth reason why Motorola Moto E second generation is better than Lenovo A5000 is that you can set up multiple accounts on the Lollipop OS that it has got. If you want to set up admin, you can set up an admin, and if you want someone to use only as guest, then you can set up only a guest account, and that's the good thing. And now let us move to the fifth reason why this device is better than this device, and the fifth reason is that it has got front speaker while it has got rear speakers. And when you keep it on the flat surface, then the chances are that you won't be able to hear from call sound from Lenovo A5000. It will go dim, and that's not a good thing. When you start using Motorola Moto E second generation, and when you get a call and you have kept the device on the flat surface, then also you will hear loud sounds because the speaker are not getting blocked by any surface, and that's a good thing. Now let's move to the sixth feature here. The Motorola Moto E second generation is definitely a lightweight device, while the Lenovo A5000 is bulky because of the 4000 mAh battery, and you will not feel the difference until you handle both the devices. Right now it feels as if both of them are of same weight, but when you keep the devices side by side, or when you use this device first, then try to hold this device, then you will note that the weight of the Lenovo A5000 is more when compared to the Motorola Moto E second generation. The seventh and the last reason why Motorola Moto E second generation is better than the Lenovo A5000 is the Gorilla Glass protection. The Lenovo A5000 comes with a screen guard from the manufacturer itself, but still it does not have a Gorilla Glass protection. That means that the protection on the Motorola Moto E second generation is much better. You can scratch it with knife, you can keep keys with it, you can keep coins with it, but nothing will happen to the front screen of the device. While you have to be careful while using Lenovo A5000, even if you install screen guard, it is better to keep it away with the keychain that you would use with the keys of your bike or car, anything at all, anything like that. So these are the 7 reasons why Motorola Moto E second generation is better than Lenovo A5000. In next video we will see the vice versa of this video. We'll see the the reasons why Lenovo A5000 is better than Motorola Moto E second generation.